Are you tired of paying $20, $30, or even $50 a month for AI video generators like Runway, Pika, or Higgsfield AI? It feels like every time a good AI tool drops, it gets locked behind an insane paywall. But what if I told you there is a wildly powerful Chinese AI model that generates ultra-high-quality cinematic videos for exactly $0? And no, I am not talking about some restricted 3-day trial. Today, I am going to expose a 100% secret, unlimited bypass trick. I am going to show you exactly how to manipulate the system to generate infinite AI videos forever without ever pulling out your credit card. You are going to want to save this video because this trick is an absolute game changer. Let us dive straight into the matrix. Step 1. Open a brand new incognito window in your browser. This is crucial for the trick to work. Search for Qwen Chat and click on their official website. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click on the Sign Up button. Now, pause. Open a second tab. I cannot say the name of the website I'm about to use out loud, so you need to pay very close attention to my screen. Look at the URL bar and type exactly what you see me typing right now. Once you're on this secret site, look for the random email generator option and click it. You'll see a randomly generated text string. Right in the middle, click the button that says Copy to Clipboard. You just got your digital ghost identity. Head back over to your Qwen Chat tab. Here's the ultimate speed hack to save you massive amounts of time. Take that exact text you just copied and paste it into all 4 boxes. Paste it in Enter your full name, paste it in Email, paste it in Password, and paste it one more time in Confirm Password. You do not need to remember any real details. Check the box to agree to the terms of service and smash that Create Account button. An access verification puzzle will pop up. Just drag the slider to complete the puzzle to prove you're a real person. Now, for the bypass. Go back to your second tab. Right next to where you copied the text earlier, click the button that says Check Inbox. You'll see an automated email from Qwen asking you to activate your account. Do not left-click the button. Instead, hover your mouse over the blue Activate My Account button, right-click, and select Copy Link Address. Jump back to your Qwen AI tab. Go straight up to the browser URL search bar at the very top, delete whatever is there, paste that link you just copied, and hit Enter on your keyboard. Boom! You are instantly logged in, verified, and ready to generate. First things first, look at the top left corner and make sure your model is set to Qwen 3.7+. This is their absolute latest, hottest, and most accurate model available right now. Next, click the plus icon on the left, select Create Video, and choose your aspect ratio from the dropdown. I'm selecting 16:9 for YouTube format. Now, paste your prompt into the text box. I use ChatGPT to write a highly detailed cinematic prompt for this, but you can type whatever you want. Hit the Send button on the right, and the AI will start cooking. Now, listen very carefully because here is the pro tip that prevents the system from crashing. If you want to generate a second video in a new chat, you must wait until your current video generation reaches at least 25%. If you rush it and open a new chat too early, the website will glitch and you will get an error. Have a little patience. Using this single setup, you can generate about 3 to 5 high-quality videos. Eventually, you're going to hit a wall and a red box will appear saying, "Too many requests in a short period." When you see this red box, smile. The trick is not over. All you have to do is completely close out of your incognito window, open a brand new incognito window, and repeat this exact same process from step 1. Get a new identity, paste it in the boxes, bypass the link, and you are back in business. You can loop this trick an infinite number of times for endless 100% free video generations. If this unlimited trick just saved you hundreds of dollars on AI subscriptions, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to Kismat AI for more underground AI secrets, and I will catch you in the next one.